Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the Agile project lifecycle, tailored specifically for PMP aspirants. If you're preparing for your PMP exam and want to ace the Agile methodology section, then stay tuned. We'll break down Agile phases, artifacts, key inputs and outputs, and provide expert study tips to ensure you pass with confidence. Let's dive in. In traditional project management, often referred to as waterfall, the life cycle follows a linear path. You begin with initiation, move to planning, then execution, monitoring, and finally, closure. Each phase is completed before the next one begins. Think of it as a relay race where each runner must finish before passing the baton. Now contrast that with the Agile life cycle. Agile breaks the project into iterations or sprints, short, time-boxed cycles where planning, execution, and feedback happen rapidly. Each sprint delivers a working product increment that adds value. So what are the key differences? Scope flexibility. Waterfall locks scope early. Agile allows scope to evolve. Customer involvement. Waterfall has limited customer feedback points. Agile engages the customer constantly. Delivery approach. Waterfall delivers at the end. Agile delivers iteratively and incrementally. For PMP exam prep, understand that Agile doesn't eliminate phases, but it blends them within iterations. Agile projects still initiate, plan, execute, and close, but they do it differently, with flexibility and frequent inspection. Section 2. Master Agile artifacts and their purpose. Artifacts are to Agile what blueprints are to architects. They help teams visualize work, manage complexity, and deliver value. Let's break down the core Agile artifacts you need to master. Product backlog. This is the master list of all desired work. It's dynamic and managed by the product owner. It evolves with stakeholder needs. Sprint backlog. A subset of the product backlog, chosen by the team for delivery in the upcoming sprint. It includes tasks, design ideas, and sprint goals. Increment. The usable product or functionality that results from the sprint. It must meet the definition of done. Burn-down chart. A visual tool that tracks work completed versus time. Helps in forecasting and identifying bottlenecks. Definition of done, DoD. This artifact defines what complete means. Without it, teams risk delivering incomplete work. For the exam, focus on what these artifacts are used for. Transparency, alignment, planning, and inspection. You may be asked scenario-based questions involving updating the product backlog or interpreting a burn-down chart. Section 3. Key inputs and outputs at each Agile phase. Agile phases don't follow a linear path, but we can still identify typical inputs and outputs within each cycle or iteration. 1. Agile initiation phase. Key inputs. Business need or opportunity. High-level product vision. Stakeholder engagement list. Purpose. To define the why and set expectations. Outputs. Product vision statement. Agile charter or canvas. Initial product backlog.